So today I'm going to show you how to do the DeciBel practice problems that I assigned. So we're going to go to physicsclassroom.com and then we're going to go down here to Concept Builders. And we're going to go down to Waves and Sound and then down to Decibel Scale. We're going to launch that concept builder, and then what I like to do after I wait for it is just make this larger in my screen. I type in my name and we go ahead and get started. So the decibel scale is a little bit complicated because it uses log base 10, but that also makes it easy. But we're going from a log base 10 scale to a decibel scale. So deci is a tenth. So it's kind of funny how this works out, but it's going to be easier for me to just show you an example than try to explain the math. So I'm just going to do a couple out of the master section. So sound source A is a decibel rating of 50 decibels. Sound source B is 10,000 times more intense. Well, for every power of 10 that it increases in intensity, we go up 10 decibels actually. So here we would go up, we're going to count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 on this scale of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, because sound source B is 10,000 times more intense. So if we count over that many times, we get 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So this would be 90 decibels. All right. So now we see here that sound A is 80 decibels and sound B is 1/100th the intensity of A. So it's less, so it's going to be over on the left. So it's 1/100th, so that's 2 powers of 10, 10 to the negative 2 less. So 10 to the negative 1, 10 to the negative 2. So that means I have to do 80 minus 20. So that'll be a 60 decibel intensity. All right, let me know if you have any other questions or if there's anything else I can help you with. Otherwise, good luck on your practice problems.